Mempesa Meko Bebre, Article 146 of the 1992 Constitution of the Republic of Ghana. And only a jina sona almost the removal Chief Justice. Na ebra asem no kwa wako various courts bebre are fighting for a fundamental right. But the very court we all know say nkebetima protect the Honorable Chief Justice no court no san ebuatia no kopim so ordinary asem asan kodane ECOWAS Court of Justice any ade nyina egu so pending. However, committee na se ne dwumadi ase. Na committee ni share ne dwumadi na ase no. Fortunately, on the part of the Chief Justice, legal luminaries any jurist ewo omanyimu a eye kukudam ebinuma serve 65 years. Somebody like Okujeto, Honorable Okujeto was served for almost 65 years ewo ba. Enye years ketwa before bi benya 65 and now 50 years at the bar na tese chachu chikata money ade no enye easy na mbra wasua na mbra wonim Dr. KB Asantenom you
okay see ba kunu lawyer Sam Okujana
lawyer Samuel Okujato on na America no we the former Chief Justice retired so far Akufo-Addo ono so called Justice Nini Yabua omu nyina appeal Dr. KB Asante we ni age awanya women the drafters of the 1992 Constitution of the Republic of Ghana. Eti Constitution omo draw ye no omo te ase more. Na ade ba ko omo nyina ko testify in favor of the Chief Justice. Enya kana na o omo nyina ko testify say when it comes to the removal of the Chief Justice the key issue epe was over ubenya niam miensa na ebodi no se niam miensa ni nyina no Dr. KB Asante say the one wait pa niam ni nyina itimi gina so the remove Chief Justice here whether or not the Chief Justice is competent or incompetent or see no normal constitution because omo name the rationale behind it. So when it comes to interpretation omo are very good.
I don't know maybe say if I go for spirit and letter of
that
the Constitution.
Of the Constitution. So we have the spirit and we have the letter. So if you look at the letter, the black letter law, no, I just said yes, actual Constitution. No. So if you're ordinary man and any citizen be of Ghana on your law, or the guy just say, now can Constitution now clear. There's a Chief Justice why you see to remove no. You have to look at the spirit, the rationale behind it. What you say, and no one justice be kind say the national constitution is a living organism. It's a living organism capable of growth. A constitution no a living organism etiasite se nipa na enyini is capable of growth. And when you are giving any interpretation to any provision in the 1992 constitution no it was all man of broad and liberal meaning. Eti u chirechirema it was all man broad and liberal meaning chirechiremu no ba mu na onima asem okan enchirechiremu no so a wode ma no eni kwa say e wo legalistic meaning enye say wo boa pa na wo pe boni bi adie nti no he da kofa meaning na ye legal say obi anti ase mremu legal bi ketwa bi na de abehye ho say de obi anti ase bi ebremu na broad and liberal meaning no the judge no kan say when you are giving broad liberal interpretation of any provision in the 1992 Constitution, that interpretation must meet the aspirations and the dreams of the good people of Ghana. So interpretation now they many it will say meeting the aspirations, the dreams of the good people of Ghana. What are the dreams of the good people of Ghana? Dreams of the good people of Ghana, they say we remove Chief Justice now. Wow, Chief Justice Abana. Is that what Ghanaians are looking for? Me remove Chief Justice na me de media abana etienne trivia issue bia na magina so say me de beba be Chief Justice ye read the judges ni bi legal luminaries no any jurist no any sa former Chief Justice no ye hwe nsem abi no kan me mpesa me kasa me kenkan a ye beche but me tuma kenkan ni nyina wa some of them ebi no asem o kan ne say Justice Nini Yabuanom omo say any Justice Sofia Akufu omo say sa prima facie evidence omo establish ye no omo anfa copy crown serve Chief Justice and the Constitution does not allow that. Because we talk about the principle of odi otaram patem rule, the principle of what fair hearing. Pepe it was so did no. It was established a prima facie case against na other na own serve no money copy of the prima facie case now the even in any case time am friend no and some no cry by no social media so na na Chief Justice cry and serve no copy. So in the first place one of the cardinal principles what constitutional law. So one of the cardinal principles said that already the principle of adi alteram partem rule, the principle of fair hearing no was what adhered to. enti o so de ye pepepe ye eye adwuma pepepe ye eho justice ani ne ebo a justice Sofa Yakufu Dr. KB Asante mu nyina se anya adwuma eho nyina ebia ni ho a eye adwuma pepepe 2 yeyi eho free ho no a Justice KB Asante asema o kan say if you look at grounds or mudi remove the chief justice grounds no is neither here nor there because grounds no as a one chief justice also okọ one holiday okọ holiday na holiday na okọ ye ni sika no a ye de ama no okọ no one ne ba ene ne kunu na akọ holiday ni nti empo okodi sika no o diskani bi aba ma de man se nkonko di ni nyina nse no chief justice na return sika ni bi di aba eho Justice Sofa Yakufu asemo kan ye no retired ana justice anini yaboa omu mienu asemo omo kan ye ne se omo pensu nyina no omo ye chief justice no ye ma omo sa akwanya no omo timi de omo yere ene omo ma e de kọ no omo pokura no omo ani bi amfa bi ama no de odibi di bi bai ye nhwe ho Justice Araba Isaba Tokino that woman mi hu ni su ni pada ese woye huhun konkon because me amete keke udi scam me say what the dollar ma me say me mfa nko America na me nko Philadelphia na me nko share bibi Ohio baby ana say me hu chronicle evidence Texas me nko Texas na me nko di sika we ya me ne me yere ne me ma ko Texas ni akodi yie what you say but ma me no ko ye no osan di sika ni bi kura buy na omu nyina ko testify before the committee just plama committee ni say ma me no omo pensu nyina omo no omo yere no omo ma no mokoy enji sa asem no omo de bae no ma me no fom na bia eho ye baako e de be biem ne de ato ma me no so asem omo san ka biem ni say sa transfer na or transfer ye no ese bia justice bi wa appointment bi ana transfer no e administrative functions omo transfer appointment is bi o hanma ye de nipa ni bi ko Supreme Court wa e recommendation by Ghana Bar ene niema bebre na be kire before ansa na watimi aye appointment e de akọ Supreme Court eno so Justice maame no Araba Isaba Tokuno eno so maame no onfomfom so bia it is ankrofo ana Dr. KB Asante so akire say oka omo drafted the 1992 Constitution of the Republic of Ghana but as some of can say so wo hwe niema mienso stated misbehavior any one ye kan eni nyina na niema no de ye kese say whether or not such justice na competent e de ba de ne work wo ye ni nyina emu de na o ye incompetent just because political party be essay me baso ami ankasa me yi chief justice me yi obi a obetimi ne me asom na abo ahwe de unim His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ne acting chief justice led by sir Justice Pwama ne committee ni nyina krokro de John no mo yo hwe they can never and I'm repeating they can never sack chief justice. But let me tell you, do you know what they are doing? Omo ye krokro de John sa kopim say omo de acting chief justice ne be yen sakra yes niamam later omo ka chese maame no onye boni bia but then no mo term of office aso trust me KK I'm telling you because they don't have any single ground I'm betting me they remove maame no chief justice and even if they remove I'm making a conditional statement even if they make an attempt to remove the chief justice me facha in chirima any dachi any ebitwa mahwe wo mo papa will never forgive His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. I like he's a nice gentleman, president is a nice gentleman. I like ni demeanor, I like ni height, ni bibia ni najuma, and the way a manner the president talks.
Shatawali was smiling mafia.
Yes, but the president also say a hard decision. Presidency so far be the removal of the chief justice. Any hard decision abanoswa or da or gina untimi meaning kwesi.
No,
the reason being that say pressure being a president and say on remove chief justice. And your President Mahama na da I'm telling you. I know that man. He's a nice gentleman. President Mahama will never do that. But pressure from above, pressure from somewhere, pressure from political members of the party, pressure normally yes on remove the chief justice. Mamino ni hu ni fin. I'm telling you, ne ho anything. O frame me baby asa me mra me ka say chief justice. Ne hu ni fin a wo betimi atum ene echina e de ayifo abefa me kra na. I will tell you, I will every meet ayi bi ade me komenya opportunity bia. I will say chief justice on committee offense bia. KK. We are all servants of the rules. We all read the rules. Ye nyina ye mranim for ye sua constitutional interpretation yesua bibia fa ho aniema ya to na article 146 no moya am say enya ye nam procedure on form bia I'm telling you there is no single procedure and the obefa so ba unim say maame no onye boni bia ja na man nko ne baby enipa kuku dam ekobe nwotwe ase du omo appear before the committee opia say ono ne penso krasa na ne ye no bibia no egu maame no ho fan so evidence be na wo against the woman the chat wo kran say yes judge be ma transfer ne de na ba a different region na ye kra ye tamane ye kire ade wo no fe wo secondary school ni ade no na o headmaster correct me transfer o head eno kra nya GS o head timika so hia wo hobiem ni transfer so administrative functions are all perform no boni be na chief justice waye enti ye di guma me nani mu ase you see na me to one man maka se na dua mu mpo ne ye ni se na de na de be ye dua wuye oye na Jesus Christ no o ka kire mo ese munsuma mo ho ne mo ma na mo munsuma me na se dua mu mpo ne ye ni se ye de na de be ye dua wuye na chief justice mpo ne nya no na ye ni se na me lawyer Ivan so se bonsu ne nyame ase e betete me nam you see de obeye bia no enchirima ebe kai ade bia nipa obeye bia no e wa wiye ewiase na e wa na yobi dia something must create something before something can come into an existence bibia mo bibia bibi ntime ma wiase eti wiase wo wura enti ade bia obeye bia ubenya ho asotwen se kwan yo mo fa so remove maame no anya kwan pa asotwe kase beba o man no so I'm telling you e kwan yo mo fa so remove maame no se nya apa NDC will have a big problem. I'm telling you, they should have a genuine way of removing the woman. But the grounds of my submitting in a frivolous, vexatious, and same should be what? It's abuse of process now. It should be what? Discarded. I was saying in our mobile to go. Because, okay, say me na me come out be 10,000 be an say me say that petition but I say remove because at article 146 it has spelled out the quiet fast remove nti ke and once am pay 10,000 be dia mo me say that petition bra and am pay 20,000 man watch petition ba na ye try say ye follow sa niam we dia enche his excellency John Dramani Mahama ofira konwa no so na ube wan say me lawyer say bonsu the next chief justice na me so petition say ye remove no will you also remove it wahun enti ayi kan asem bi Justice Pega, may he so rest in perfect peace. It was a dissenting view. In the case of Emidu versus President Kufuor, in the case of Martin Emidu, Osiu President Kufuor court, and Justice Pega in his dissenting view, or can be. Also, although power is dispersed among the three arms of government, that disbursement, and yet to their harmony, and yet to your harmony, but to the harmony of the good people of Ghana. Although which are three arms of government, they are being separated from one another in terms of functions and rule. But three arms of government, and yet penny are separated one more. But separation na idea more. Almost working independently by interdependence. But say independent ejuma na omo ye no. The omo ye bian and yet to their harmony, but to the harmony of the good people of Ghana. It is a Ghana for whom beto womunti and yache sa enkura betenim. Na nya wo president bi wo beto no akofa uchi justice aba enunti ni yache sa rule. It will interfere with obi a function which is a breach of what? Article 127, judicial independence. It will go remove Chief Justice. Because Chief Justice in your bush, Chief Justice, O person and no Diane Bono, Chief Justice, O person entitlement, man and sanka, by doing so on enema, almost so mudidi. So, ya to abama, no aban in pre so, not gonna afford the waba. Ye for pepe, ye reset no ye pepe, but don't have mind be actuated by malice. And now JB Dankwa client, and Ray Akutu, JB Dankwa, I can say it is actuated the governor na the then governor, na Junina, what they pesa, what they chichi, PDA at the Muguno. That mindset, no, it is actuated by malice. JB Dankwa ne use sabrofono. It is actuated by malice. I bring boning quietly and what fan up as I would in penny film. And then I coach JB Dankwa, you didn't call detention with that trial on the
Okay, lawyer, and sir, Jones, Yamisama Babata, and Sam crossover. Just a minute, maybe sir, question we. Justice Sophia Kufu.
Yeah.
Unsa or a member of the Council of State, right?
That is so.
To Sabani, yes or no?
Opulu out.
Yes, Opulu out.
That is so.
Are you surprised to say this time around? What can a year Chief Justice and then ye buahu na say a defending a year mameno?
Yeah, you see, me not surprised because Kiki, the mommy who is a mameno anymore day. Na waye Justice of the Supreme Court a check as an Osabe Chief Justice. Eti waye shrewd in law. when we say somebody is shrewd in law, that means that the person knows the law, legal luminary. Onimrano. Etimrana wo hu se omo ye no. Although aban no mababe wura mu bi as a member of council of state. Ba me abano kra me nenkoto. Because me musta kwan amode bedi mami ensem amode abaye frivolous, vexatious. Sa mra we nyina na emfa mra kwan. Enya de wo se yesoso. Eti anya me ngwanwa se maame no asa akodi adanse e de ama chief justice. Eti na me ka kira wo se cross examination and re-examination is a powerful tool that will do the Humpty Dumpty. Na ye do for adaka se maame no the faceless petitioners na omo aba no senka omo ye do omo ba mo ma for adaka na maame ni bu so omo question na keke nkanya me ngwanwa say excuse me my language ka bebere be ne omo ho adaka ni. I'm telling you, and you televise say no obi a sha okwa interpretation column ha the 1992 constitution ube hu say for the public interest in I was nan ka wo televise mo obi ahwe ka bon say questions am me be pose no because the woman was a lawyer before and no be chief justice, and every lawyer knows the law, every lawyer knows the cross examination very well. That will do it's a powerful tool, and it's a powerful tool. You start to see the bobo wa adaka nma lawyer bi afa document no hwemu say no hu ntokure wo mu obe start ya ponche and you started over adaka no ponche wa then na obe hu say yes asema ade to no so na nya no kren ka Ghana fo nyina be hu ko be expose wo mo eti maami ni nim eti no waye dende enye onfa hu so obewuo onfa hu so obi be kwa kuku no onfa hu so obi be ye ne den maami no say obe fight akopim say no kore be daddy.
So as a stance he say you know Bar Council of England omo akasasa de na e kwan ye de maami no fa so no enye kwan
so kan
Commonwealth yes lawyers so akasasa Ghana Bar so when kwasa na omo kan Ghana Bar so
omo so Ghana Bar kan
omo pie mu
efuagati mu nyina ka ho a honorable efuagati so
omo so koye
I mean no disrespect ono so omo nyina ka ho bi no omo nyina ko testify ama no say one Paul Jawu or I forgot that omo nyina ko ka ana vice no Bath Victoria Bath honorable Victoria Bath omo nyina ko oye vice to
Nana
SKB Asante omo nyina doctor omo nyina ko testify
as a stance now what they no be because he say bibia
they've jeopardized the committee. I'm telling you committee in sentence no ma jeopardizing na we the committee ni bibia beka bi o your lawyer now representing petitioners. This is the time I will so pull out because it's a very bad case for you. We know, we the lawyers, you nim say case in ya enye when the case is bad, it's bad. But at times so person tested the pulse of the other lawyer to know say be an real fin law and answer wakaya anything e be a oko and do fiti preoccupant consider defeat. What you say case in ya enye what you say and answer be say mrani be a lawyer na other side in the real fi be a one farmer or the be kantana na you see and there may be one my we see when is a committee nka we crash started by no e we say mu is a committee mu jumadi nyina enya fei ani ebeka sampa President Mahama no person ka obeye ni bibia nti of procedure an ka mo nwe se waja no you see ade no ma yo ma dwen se nko mu be yi na firi ho but nyame na achole you understand that enkranika nyame na achole because the nyankopon ya ade no otama me na chi awanwu se onye mfumso bia ana nipa kuku dam nyina akọ testify de ama no edisemu ko ja na me mejira nka se President Mahama ene NDC aban no mo peso mu ja ma me no ene ntina na mo fa procedure keke nyame na etua mosoka what I say wahunu said the more yana it is actuated by malice, bad mentality, spiteful remarks. What you say? Adwemfun etechiri and a person mo di remove ma many phrases. Actuated by malice.
All right, but that's Lawyer Evans Osei Bonsu.